Alright, hey guys, it's me, Epic Streamer, and we're gonna do an unboxing video. Hopefully I get some good. I probably won't, and this video will probably never come out, but if we do, then something amazing will happen. So, let's get started, huh? Okay, numero uno. There was a freaking pink one. Alright. I haven't got that one yet. It's pretty sick. I might change it out for my... Yeah, actually, no, man, I don't got any one of those ones yet. Alright. Come on, baby girl. Ah! I want some so badly. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's a pink one right there. There's another pink one. Haven't guard. That sucks. Okay, all blues so far. I haven't got like anything more than a blue one before. Come on. Oh, there's a pink one. Oh, come on. There we go on that one. Ooh. Sucks. Come on. Good God. That freaking sucks. Alright, I'm gonna buy some more. Oh, there was a red one right there. Okay. Good God. Not turning out very well for me. I will not stop. It's gonna be... Oh, come on! It was... Alright, I'll buy another one. Come on. Sucks. Please. It's right there. It's a griffin. Freaking. How much blues do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could do a... Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'll do a... Oh, alright. Use one of this, and then I'll do... Alright. Seed. Boo. Grinder? Oh. Factory new, sick. These are my last three, so I'll just... Nothing. Nothing at all. Terrible luck. And that's another delusion. Perfect. I can't stop. I need this. Come on. Oh, is that a Star Trek? Stat Trek? Sweet. That's not terrible. It's like my first Stat Trek. Alright. Nothing. Terrible, 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 terrible. Oh! Come on! Yes! Koi. That's okay. I'm happy with that. And it's what? Mooooore. That was the AK-7 right there. Come on. Sandstorm. Jesus. Alright, there was two AK-7. There was another one. toying with me. Hates me. My guts, my innards. Come on. Come on. Come on. You bastard. I hate your guts. Good God. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Yes. And it's a stat track too. Son. That's how it's done. How much is that? It's pretty sick. 50 cents. Freaking stat track, bro. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's good. That's good. Stay. 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 Good. Good boy. Alright, final one. Come on, Gabe. I praise the heavens. Come on. Come on. You suck. So hard. How many of these do I have? I have probably enough, right? One's our battle scared. That one's battle scared. Yeah, screw it. Hello, Gabe. Alright, let's see what we get. Oh, that's okay. I like that. It's actually a pretty sick skin. I don't like those. What is it? Minimal wear? But who knows. Alright, well, guys, that was a pretty sucky unboxing. I got... These are my final 6 out of $70 worth. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. And, well, maybe you'll see some other ones coming out soon. So, peace.